Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to go and show you how to display your PlayStation account on your Discord. So let's go ahead and jump in the video right now. So it's very easy to connect your PlayStation profile to your Discord profile. Now, over on Discord, if we switch to it, you can see in the upper right, I am playing Call of Duty Modern Warfare or Warzone. And all my friends can see I'm playing that game even though I'm playing on my PlayStation. So how would we go ahead and connect my Discord to my PlayStation accounts? So if I go to users in the bottom left and select this, then at the top, if I go over to connections right here and select this option, then if I go over, we now have the option to select and connect with our PlayStation Network ID. Now, when you connect, you will be able to display your profile and then display PlayStation Network as your status. So you'll be able to view your games and what you're doing on PlayStation on your Discord. So let's select the PlayStation Network icon at the top. Then it's going to open up a web page where it says connecting to your PlayStation Network account. You will have to go ahead and sign in. So you'll need your email address and password, and if you have two-step verification on. So mine is already connected, and it's literally that easy. Now when you go back to your profile, everyone will see your game you're playing. And it will update relatively quickly, within like 10 to 15 seconds. When you start your game, they'll be able to see what you're playing. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.